Last week, I shared how I made over $212,000 as a content creator, and this right here is what I heard over and over again. My friend, it is so easy to start creating content, so I am here to hold your hand and walk you through the 4 simple steps for you to become a content creator. Step number 1 is to create accounts on all 5 major platforms. What are they? Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Threads, and YouTube. Why should you be on all 5 platforms? Because your audience is on all 5 platforms. Meet them where they're at inside their favorite platform. And no, we're not creating 5 different pieces of content. You're going to create 1 piece of content and publish that same thing across all 5 social media platforms. On Instagram and TikTok, you want a creator account, not a business account. Inside Facebook, you want a Facebook page, not a Facebook profile. You can't monetize a Facebook profile. To establish a YouTube account, they actually use Google. So yes, you will need a Google account to get your YouTube channel. And for Threads, you'll first need your Instagram account because those 2 are tied and you log into Threads with your Instagram account. Step number 2, now that you have accounts on all 5 platforms, ideally, I want you to have the same username or the same handle. Mine is The Carol Jones across all platforms. The same profile picture and the same bio, just to create some consistency across all of your accounts. Step number 3, it's time to open the camera app on your phone, shoot a short, little, simple piece of content, like 15 seconds max. You do not need any special equipment or lighting. All you need is a phone. All you need is a window. Don't have great lighting in a certain room? Go find and stand in front of a window and turn that way. There's your lighting. And yes, you are going to have to show your face. There is such a thing as faceless content, but it is so much harder to grow and be successful at because social media is all about connection. So open your phone, 15 seconds, talk to them like they are your best friend. 4th and final step, it's time to now publish that content across all 5 platforms. Personally, I like to use either TikTok or CapCut to edit my video in any way. You can add a title, you can add some music, turn on the captioning, or even adjust the lighting. But now you have this great 15-second video and you're going to upload it to all 5 platforms. Guess what? Congratulations, you're now a content creator. When you tell me I have no idea how to even begin, it really is that simple just to start. Create the accounts, create your first piece of content, and publish it. If you expect to create money from doing this, yes, you're going to have to publish more than 1 video. But the first step, done. And no, you do not need to post every single day. Shoot for 3 days a week. It's a really great goal. Anybody who tells you you need to post 3 times a day is crazy. The other thing I hear from clients all the time is, why would anybody be interested in me? I want you to remember this. You don't have to live this great adventurous life. You don't have to be a great, amazing expert in a field to be able to create content. We are very lonely. People come to social media for connection. So talk to your audience like they're your besties. Just share little things from your life and create that connection with them. That is the secret to success. It's time to be brave. It's time to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. You never know where it's going to lead. And if you have more questions or want more one-on-one coaching, just drop me a message.